teachers. I would like you to welcome you all to our very first lecture of grade 2. We are all super excited to share our learning with you all today. To give you all an insight into our learning, we have a small skit for you. Kindly sit back and enjoy. Once there lived a little boy named Sam. One day while he was walking in the park with his friend Jack, he saw a little seed on the ground.
Hey Jack, see that? It is a little seed on the ground.
Yeah, what do we do with this, Sam?
Let us bury it in the ground.
Jack and Sam found a good spot and dug the ground and buried the seed in it.
So now our seed will grow into a big tree soon.
No, Jack. A seed will just not become a tree just like that. We need to care it and make sure all its needs are met.
Needs for a seed?
Yes, Jack. Like we have needs, plants also have needs.
I didn't know that. Can you please tell me about it?
Okay, Jack. I'll tell you everything about a seed. Listen.
A little seed walks in. I am a seed. A plant begins with me. I am buried inside the soil. I need water and soil to grow. In a few days, I'll germinate. Do you know what germination means? Germination is the process of which I grow from a seed to a seedling. A little leaf sprouts out of me and it slowly grows into a plant. A seed has different parts. A seed coat which protects the seed, an embryo which later develops into a leaf, and cotyledon which supplies nutrition for the embryo to grow. The seed then develops little roots. I am a root. I help the plant to stay in place and also absorbs water and nutrients from the soil, which helps the plant to grow. From me develops the stem.
I am the delivery man of the plant. I carry nutrients and water from the roots to the leaves. I protect the plant from falling down.
I am one of the most important parts of the plant. I am well known as the kitchen of plant. I make the food for the plant. I have a green pigment known as chlorophyll. I make food using this.
Guys, slow down.
The process of making food for the plant using the sunlight, air, and water is known as photosynthesis. Chlorophyll helps me to absorb the sunlight and other nutrients.
I also deliver this food made by the leaves to all the parts of the plant.
Now we have a photosynthesis song. Now me and my friends are going to have a photosynthesis song now.
Don't wear hats or shirts or jeans. None of what they have to do. What they do? Cause our hands are free. We want please and we the chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll is the green pigment or color found in plants. It helps trap light, and without it, there would be no
Photosynthesis, 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 photosynthesis. Plants can make a very young food with sunlight, water, and air so good. That's because our plants are filled with green stuff we call chlorophyll. And photosynthesis, 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 photosynthesis. That's photosynthesis, 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 photosynthesis. Yeah!
And the most beautiful part of the plant, the flower. I have these attractive colors on me to pull various insects and pollinators towards me. I have various parts. Let me explain it to you.
I have a small stem. Then it has two green parts called sepal, which acts as a cover when the plant is about. Then comes the reproductive part of the plant, the ovary and oval. The stigma is the pollen, the dusty and sticky part which helps the pollination.
Insects like me get
The power is out. So can you talk a bit louder, please?
attached to the bright color of the flower and sit on the stigma which contains the pollen. When I go to another part of the same flower or another flower, pollination takes place. I won't look in a reproduction.
It's okay.
We help in the reproduction of plants. You have so many colorful plants and trees around you thanks to us. An idea of the various parts of a plant. Let us get back to our friends.
Did you understand the parts of plant that flower grows, Jack? Yes, Sam, I did. Thank you. There are so many different types of plants around us.
Yes,
They are so different from each other.
yes, I've noticed that.
Now I will help you understand the 5 different types of plants around us. In our school, we have learned about 5 types of plants. Trees, shrubs, creepers, climbers, and herbs.
A tree is the strongest and tallest type of plant. It has longest life. It bears fruits and wood to many animals and birds. Shade and wood to alchemists. Example, mango, teak, etc. A creeper is a plant with weak stems that grow along the ground. It's around another plant. They usually have big and heavy fruit. Some creepers are pumpkin and watermelon, etc.
A climber is a type of a plant that climbs up the wall or on another plant. They cannot survive without a support. Some creepers are money plant, grapevine, etc.
A herb is generally plants with medicinal values like neem and basil, and those who are used for cooking like coriander, mint leaves, etc. Shrub is a bushy plant which grows closer to the ground. Some of them are rose plant, hibiscus, and etc.
A life cycle of a plant begins as a seed. The seed is buried inside the soil. In few days, the seed sprouts out and the root soil is loaded. Later, the leaves come out.
From these leaves, flowers bloom and pollination takes place. Later, seeds are dispersed and falls back into the ground.
That's how a plant grows. Now let us get back to our friends.
Thank you for explaining the types of plants to me.
No mentions and types of friends are here to help each other and learn new things.
All living things are interdependent on each other. The plants cannot survive without animals and vice versa. Can you imagine a world without plants? It is impossible. Likewise, plants cannot live without animals. Can you guess why?
Cannot survive without oxygen, which is given out by plants. Have you ever thought about having no plants to eat?
That could just explain how interdependent we are on each other.
And small. There are many advantages of sustainable agriculture.
Have you heard about sustainable agriculture?
What is that?
Sustainable agriculture is a type of agriculture that focuses on producing long-term crops and livestock while having minimal effects on the environment. Which means we do agriculture keeping in mind the needs of future generations. Exactly. While using the plants available to us, we also have to keep in mind that they're available for the rest of the generations to come too.
Many advantages of sustainable agriculture. Some of them are conserving the environment,
reducing pollination, and reducing cost and making more profit, and improving food production.
We went to a field trip to increase our nursery and Elsa's museum.
It's okay. They are having playtime.
The pollination and how the plant develops.
Now let's see what we. Now we have another song for you.
Guys, please space and again. Move. Sid, can you move a little bit? Kartikeya, can you move a bit? Virat, can you stand forward a bit forward?
Stem, leaves, flower, leaves, sunlight, air, and a little rain shower. Roots, stem, leaves, flower, leaves, sunlight, air, and a little rain shower. You started the tiny seed in the ground, and buried in the dirt, and roots will be found. The roots can water and form a base. The roots will hold the plant in place. The sun that was planted, straight and tall, it helps make sure the plant doesn't fall. The stem carries water from the dirt. The stem helps keep the plant alert. Roots, stem, leaves, flower, leaves, sun and air, and a little rain shower. Roots, stem, leaves, flower, leaves, sun and air, and a little rain shower. Leaves are not just there for show. The leaves are worth to help the plant grow. They take in sunlight and make it sweet. The leaves give food for the plant to eat. The colorful flowers are so very bright. The leaves are soft and rest in their flight. They pollinate flowers and spread it around. Then the seeds fall to the ground. Roots, stem, leaves, flowers, sun and air, and a little rain shower. Roots, stem, leaves, flowers, sun and air, and a little rain shower. Thank you.
Now let's see what we learned in language arts and math.
In language arts, we learned about nouns, types of nouns, verbs, types of verbs, adjectives, informative writing, plural and singular, short and long vowels. We learned place value, addition with and without carry forward, subtraction with and without borrowing, double stack, and measurement of length.
Nice. Cool.
So now we're gonna talk about our Indian Social Studies class. In Indian Social Studies class, we learned about Indian festivals. And I'm gonna talk about 2 of them, and my friends are gonna talk about the rest we learned. Krishna Janmashtami. Krishna Janmashtami is celebrated on the occasion of Lord Krishna's birth. Ganesha Chaturthi. Ganesha Chaturthi is celebrated on the occasion of Ganesha's birth, and immersion happens 9 days after.
Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated as a unity between our brother and the sister. On this day, the sister ties Rakhi to the brother on his wrist, symbolizing their love and care towards each other.
There are 3 national festivals in India, which are Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year, as Constitution of India was formed on that day.
Independence Day is celebrated on August 15th every year. India got independence on 1947 on August 15th. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on October 2nd every year. Mahatma Gandhi is also known as the father of the nation. He is the Radha Krishna, and we celebrate on Teachers' Day of September 5th in India. Sister ties Rakhi to the brother of his wrist, symbolizing their love and care towards each other.
We have 3 national festivals in India, which are Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year, as Constitution of India was formed on that day.
Independence Day is celebrated on August 15th every year, and India got independence on 1947 on August 15th. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on October 2nd every year. Mahatma Jayanti is also known as the father of the nation. He is the Radha Krishna, and we celebrate Teachers' Day on September 5th in India. Indian agriculture. Indian agriculture plays an important role in Indian history. It is also a livelihood of many people across India. Some of the major crops of India are rice, wheat, maize, cotton, pulses, sugarcane, and spices. The steps in agriculture. 1. Preparation of soil. 2. Sowing seeds. 3. Adding manure and fertilizers. 4. Irrigation. 5. Protecting from weeds. 6. Harvesting. 7. Storage.
These are the famous tree in India. Banyan tree. Banyan tree can live for 200 to 500 years and have many competitors. Neem tree. Neem tree can live more than 200 years and have many medicine virtues.
Pipal tree. This is the pipal tree and one of the famous tree in India. Gurma tree. This is Gurma tree and one of the famous tree in India.
Harita Haram is started by our Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao to plant as many trees as possible to have a better life and a better environment. Help in the reap. We have different types of crop season in India. They are Kharif. In Kharif season we get maize and rice. In Rabi season we get wheat and barley. In Zaid season we get watermelon and cucumber.
Chandrayaan 3. It is a major mission for the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. It got launched on July 14th and landed on the moon on August 23rd. Vikram and Pragyan are also part of Chandrayaan 3.
찍는 거고. 몸.
Okay, KG2B, hands up, give me 5. Someone is listening, start. Captain Shiv, please start the program. We wait. Come on, Shiv, you're waiting.
Start.
Loudly. Oh, Mira, start. You started, yeah.
Welcome to our synergy. Sit down and enjoy the show. Time to end a new day. Time to hear the singing. Letting go of the day. Running in the sun. It's a beautiful day. It's just begun. It's a beautiful day. It's just
Thank you. It's going on the beautiful day. Very good. Thank you.
Yeah, ready, go. I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know.
Okay, you go.
I don't know. I don't know.
Other hand, other arm, me. Okay. Give me answer. Ready? Yes.
Yes. Yes. I
No.
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 Yes.
Yes. Yes.
No.
No.
Captain Shiv, please start the program. We're waiting.
Start.
Loudly.
Come to our synergy. Sit down and enjoy the show.
서희가 찍어.
동작이라도 있을 텐데. 아마 내가 찍을게. 저 새끼 뭐야?
게 아니야. 부끄러워서 그래.
We're learning about the communities.
Deva. Riddhi. Riddhi, start. Riddhi, loudly, loudly.
Crustaceans.
Leaves, flowers, sun and air, and a little rain shower. It started tiny seed in the ground, and buried in the dirt, and roots will be found. The roots get water and form a base. The roots will hold the plant in place. The stem that was planted, straight and tall. It helps make sure the plant doesn't fall. The stem carries along the plant the dirt. The stem helps keep the plant alert. Roots, stem, leaves, flowers, sun and air, and a little rain shower. Roots, stem, leaves, flowers, sun and air, and a little rain shower. Leaves are not just there for show. The leaves are worth to help the plant grow. They take in sunlight and make it sweet. The leaves give food for the plant to eat. The colorful flowers are so very bright. The leaves are stop and rest when they fly. They pollinate flowers and spread it around. Then the seeds fall to the ground. Roots, stem, leaves, flowers, sun and air, and a little rain shower. Roots, stem, leaves, flowers, sun and air, and a little rain shower. Thank you. Plants don't have a mouth like you and me. No, but they have to eat. Yum! So they spread their leaves so green to capture sunlight energy. Plants don't have a nose like you and me. No, but they have to breathe. Did you know their leaves so green? Can take in air and make it clean. That's amazing, that's cool. That's photosynthesis, 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 photosynthesis. Plants don't have a mouth like you and me. No, but they have to drink. So they push their roots deep down to soak up water from the ground. Plants don't have a mouth or shirts or jeans. No, but they have to drink. Why, but they do. Cause our plants are filled with what we call chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll is the green pigment or color found in plants. It helps trap light, and without it, there would be no
Photosynthesis, 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 photosynthesis. Plants can make their very own food with sunlight, water, and air so good. That's because our plants are filled with green stuff we call chlorophyll. That's photosynthesis, 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 photosynthesis. That's photosynthesis, 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 photosynthesis. Yeah!
Good morning, dear parents and teachers. I would like you to welcome you all to our very first night of grade 2. Good morning, dear parents and teachers. I would like
here to welcome you all to our very first lecture of grade 2. We are all super excited to share our learning with you all today.
We are all excited to our learning. We have a small skit for kindness, respect, and joy. Once there lived a little boy named Sam. One day while he was walking in the park with his friend Jack, he saw a little seed on the ground.
Hey Jack, see that? It is a little seed on the ground.
Yeah, what do we do with the Sam?
Let us bury it in the ground.
Jack and Sam found a good spot and dug the ground and buried the seed in it.
So now our seed will grow into a big tree soon.
No, Jack, a seed will just not become a tree just like that. We need to care it and make sure all its needs are met.
Needs for a seed?
Yes, Jack, like we have needs, plants also have needs.
I didn't know that. Can you please tell me about it?
Okay, Jack, I'll tell you everything about a seed. Listen.
Okay? Sure? Start.
Do you know what we're doing in art class? Yes. You know what we are doing in art class? Yes, I know. Stop it. Everyone knows what you're doing. We are learning safety in the art room. We are learning about cutting, pasting, and of course lots of creativity.
Anjali.
Riddhi, do you know what we're doing in the art room?
Do you know what warm colors are? Suzy? Do you know what cool colors are?
Hey, Shan.
Oh, green.
Those are all cool colors.
Very nice. Shiv.
These are the warm colors and these are the cool colors.
Oh.
Thank you.
Shiv. Thank you for coming. Hope you enjoyed. Your quiz. You want to ask questions, right? Yes.
Me.
Fine. One by one, everybody can ask. Yes, Meera, start.
Miss Anjali she lost her that's so funny. Funny song are a plumber. Electronic or firefighter.
Firefighter.
Very good. Next question. Yeah, Deva.
Dad wants to come to America. Who will he go? Car driver or
Ishan, now you.
If Miss Joanna got sir, who will she go to? Miss Joanna. Who's Miss? Shichika, the librarian or the firefighter? The librarian.
Sanghu, now it's your turn. Okay. Next, who wants to go?
Me!
Yes, start.
If a cat is stuck in a tree, who will help? A firefighter? A firefighter.
Police.
Firefighter.
Priti, now you.
One cat is stuck on a tree.
Why only a cat? It can be
That's
anything.
dog.
Sing. Now you can't go off the tree anyway. Any more questions? We are waiting. Okay, just give me a
Okay,
moment.
then Ishan.
Ishan, yeah, one more question.
Hey, he called me Sansa.
Okay, fine, no problem.